Fala galerinha massa, tudo bem com vocês? Sou eu, Moelast, trazendo mais um vídeo pra vocês e dessa vez eu trouxe o Tobirinha, o Tobirama Senju. Pra vocês que conhecem ou não conhecem o Tobirama, eu vou deixar aí uma cena do anime aí.
Seitun Seishouha!
Se você gostou desse vídeo, deixe seu like, beleza? Comenta aí o que vocês vão querer que eu traga aí. Personagem, real life, qualquer coisa. Só mandar e nós faz. Bom, sem mais delongas, bora pro vídeo. Bom, aí eu utilizei o básico do tom de pele, né? Que é marrom claro, canela, rosa choque. Na bandana eu utilizei o cinza escuro e o cinza claro que eu tinha. Usei, se você não tiver cinza claro, você pode utilizar o lápis de escrever, esse lápis HB mesmo. Foi isso que eu fiz. No cabelo foi ele é meio que branco, né? O cabelo dele já é branco. E utilizei a parte branca da roupa dele. Só que essa parte do cabelo dele tava meio azulada, então eu usei um pouco de azul. Basicamente o azul que eu usei na armadura foi o mesmo, que foi o azul escuro, azul turquesa. Um azul bem... agora tem um aqui que eu não sei o nome, mas tem um azul aqui que é bem azul mesmo. Que a cor dele é bem escura mesmo. Eu usei um pouco de azul claro e usei um azul água da atriz.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Rapaziada, esse fundo aí eu fiz de tinta. Você pode usar tinta guache ou tinta de tecido. Se você gostou do like, ou se você gostou do vídeo, deixa o like. É nóis, valeu!